Hello friends! The Black Sea Scholarship Programme is a programme for countries neighbouring Turkey to the north, east, west and of the Black Sea region, as well as Central European and Baltic countries. This programme that addresses a wide geography aims to develop cultural relations and train human resources through mutual investments with communities that has a strong historical bond with Turkey. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information on Turkey scholarship programmes. We wish you all a good day.